Hi friends, hope you had a profitable day today. Welcome to our YouTube channel Into Trades. So before getting into how was the market today, I request all of you to support our channel by subscribing to our channel. If you like the content, please share and like the video. So now let's start with Nifty first. So today Nifty was within yesterday's high and low. So if we see in 15 minutes time frame, yesterday around 2:30 we could see the Nifty has come down from high of 14,623 to 14,489. So today's whole day's movement was within that high and low. It didn't break that high and low. So we could see a inside bar in 1 day time frame. And generally when we see this pattern, we could see a very good move based on the candlestick. My personal view is that tomorrow market is going to be bullish. If Nifty closes above 14,670, we can expect a rally towards 14,860. If market breaks yesterday's low, we can expect a bearish movement. And now we will be analyzing Bank Nifty. Yesterday I had discussed resistance and support for Bank Nifty. Resistance at 32,780 and support at 32,145. Today Bank Nifty was within this resistance and support levels, and we saw that Bank Nifty didn't break the support of 32,145 and it closed above resistance of 32,780. So tomorrow we can expect a bullish movement towards 33,330, and the second target will be a further rally towards 33,944. Being expired tomorrow, we can even expect the second target 33,944 also can be achieved in one session. Yesterday I had made few stock recommendations. Now we'll be reviewing those stocks. The first one is SRF. SRF I had recommended a buy above 6832 for a target of 7,000, which is achieved today. My next recommendation was Apollo Hospitals. We had been keeping this stock in our watch list for from Monday. I had also explained about the accumulation and build up on the trend line. So today there was a clear breakout and already 5% target is achieved, and we could expect further upward move in coming sessions. My next recommendation was Adani Port. In spite of posting a very good profit, it didn't close above our buy level of 782 today, but still it's respecting the trend line, so we could expect a up move if it holds this trend line. So please keep this stock in your watch list. My next stock recommendation was ICICI Proli. ICICI Proli, today I had to book losses because my stop losses were hit. I'm discussing even my losses because I want to make it clear that being a trader, it's not always possible to avoid losses. We can manage our losses by keeping our stop losses in place. So this is where risk management becomes very crucial. So now I'll be giving you my stock recommendations for tomorrow. Today all the Nifty indexes performed very well, and Nifty Pharma was the top gainer. So for tomorrow I would recommend Cipla. If you can see the chart, Cipla has already done retracement is over. So we can expect a breakout from this channel. I had already given BTST call for Cipla in our Telegram channel. Please subscribe to our Telegram channel for further details. My next stock recommendation would be Hindustan Petroleum. We can expect a rally towards 265 if it crosses above 250. My next stock recommendation would be BHEL. So if you can buy above today's high for a target of 5%. My next recommendation would be BEL. You can buy it above today's high for a target of 154. My next stock recommendation would be Tata Power. You can buy above 104 for a target of 115. My next recommendation would be Apollo Tyres. Apollo Tyres, I've already requested you to put it in watch list. So you can expect a target of 235 above today's high. My next stock recommendation would be PNB. Because of today's RBI governor speech, we can expect a rally in PSU banks. We can, if you buy above a level of 39, you can expect a rally towards 44. I'm not discussing any stop loss levels here. If you're interested, please subscribe to our Telegram channel. I'm providing the links in the description box. As you know, this is a new channel, and your encouragement would mean a lot. Please subscribe and share and encourage us. Thank you.